Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable auto brightness or adjust screen brightness in Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to enable auto brightness or adjust screen brightness, so let's see how we can do this. There are two different ways. The first way is that you have to open your phone settings. From here, just scroll down and look for display and brightness, and here you will get the brightness bar. You have to move it to adjust to your screen brightness. So after adjusting, you have to leave it, and here the auto brightness option, you have to tap on it to disable or enable it. So that's how you can easily adjust your screen brightness and enable auto brightness in your phone. There is a second way into quick setting or control panel. Here's the brightness bar, just move it to control your phone brightness. If you want to enable auto brightness, so here the A option, just tap on it to enable or disable auto brightness in your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video. Bye bye.